behind to use triple back tap gesture on your Poco F6. As a first step, let's unlock the phone and go in its settings. So here we'll need to scroll till we can see this additional settings tab and select gesture shortcuts, and after that, in the custom gestures we can see this feature back tap. And for triple tap we have several options. For example, let's launch Google Assistant with the help of triple back tap. So now we would need to triple tap on the back part of the phone to trigger Google Assistant, and let's try this out. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, it's working. So it does not react right from the first time you try it, but it's still working. So let's enable calculator for the triple back tap now and try it with calculator. 1, 2, 3. And yeah, in the first try it worked. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.